Hello friends, welcome to Beautiful Minds. On this channel, I share my real stock market investment journey. I invest 10,000 rupees every week in equity stocks with clear focusing on long-term investing. Every week, I will share my stock analysis, portfolio tracker, and overall progress with you. Before investing in any stock, I do my own research using fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and my own calculation. So let's learn, invest, and grow together. Now let's get into the deep analysis of stocks I invested in this week. The first stock is BSC Limited. It is a large cap stock, and now let's dive deeper into the stock analysis. These are the main factors that impressed me. Let's go through them one by one. First, BSE has a large market cap of around 1.7 lakh crore, so the risk is relatively lower. Second, its return on equity is around 35.5%, which shows strong business performance. The company has also delivered an impressive profit growth of 68.4%. On top of that, it has zero debit, and the dividend payout is also very attractive. Based on my research and analysis, I gave this stock a high score. That's why I allotted 43% of my 10,000 rupees investment to BSE stock. I placed the order at 4,255 and I bought it one share. Now let's move on to the second stock for this week, Redington Limited. This is a mid stock and it operates in the IT distribution and supply chain space. Compared to large cap stock, the risk is slightly higher, but at the same time, it can also offer a better growth potential. Now let's take a closer look at the analysis. Redington has a market cap of around 17,000 crores, which gives the decent size and stability. Its PE ratio is 11, which looks quite reasonable, and its third year return on equity standards at 16%. The company also has a debit to equity ratio of 0.28, which is fairly manageable, and dividend payout is 34.8%, which is another positive point. After considering all these factors, I gave this stock a score of 137. You can also see the pros and cons here, and all these factors are part of my scoring calculation. That is why I allotted 38% of my total 10,000 rupees investment to this stock. At the current price of around 223, I was able to buy 17 shares. So this is my mid cap pick for this week. Now let's see how it perform over the time. Now let's move on to the last stock for this week, Sika Interplant Systems Limited. This is a small cap stock, so compared to another two stocks, the risk is naturally a bit higher. But at the same time, small cap stocks can also offer a strong growth potential if the business performs well over the long term. Sika Interplanet System Limited has market cap of around 1930 crores. Its return on equity is 26.1%, which is a very strong number. And another positive point is that company has almost zero debit. The stock is currently trading at PE ratio of 28, which is something I consider as part of my overall analysis. After looking at all these factors, I gave this stock a score of 144. You can also see the pros and cons here, and all these points are included in my scoring model. Based on that, I allotted 19% of total investment 10,000 rupees to this stock. At the current price of around 920 rupees, I was able to buy two shares. So this is my small cap pick for this week. And now let's see how it perform in the coming weeks and months. This is my portfolio tracker where you can see the order summary and overall investment status. I bought one share of BSE in the large cap category, 17 shares of Redington Limited in the mid cap category, and 2 shares of Sika Interplant system in the small cap category. You can also see the investment amount and the current value of each stock. Right now, the portfolio is showing slightly loss, but I am not looking at this from short-term perspective at all. My full focus is long-term investment. Every week, I will share the performance of the stocks I invested in for that week. I will keep updating my portfolio tracker every week so you can monitor the journey together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found my research helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel and let's follow this investment journey together week by week. And just reminder, this is a personal investment journey shared only for educational purpose, not financial advice.